For this week's topic, we'll be counting down the most extremely dangerous festivals in the world. Number 5 on this list is the Cooper's Hill Rolling Cheese. The small English village of Brockworth in Gloucestershire, England, has been hosting a cheese rolling festival for more than 200 years. The rules of the event is simple. A round-shaped double Gloucestershire cheese is rolled down the Cooper's Hill and the participant of the game will race down and catch the cheese. Whoever makes it to the finish line first wins and keep the cheese. With a slope of 45-degree angle, this 7 to 8 pound cheese can roll down up to 80 miles per hour, which makes it pretty impossible to catch. Instead, participants fall and roll themselves down and put on a heck of a show. It's pretty painful to watch people tumble down and hurt themselves, but that's the interesting part of the festival. If you ask me, it's pretty odd that many people from all over the world participate for this event just for the block of cheese. But I have to say it's one of those things where people can say, I've been there, done that. Number 4. Agni Kelly. This celebration, also known as the Firefight of Katil, typically takes place in Durga Parameshwari Temple in Mangalore, India. Participants throw a burning palm fronds at each other to appease the Hindu goddess Durga. The goal is to hit as many opponents as possible while the holy firefight is going on, and each participant is allowed to make only 5 throws. The devotees who are set ablaze or injured during the rituals are sprayed with holy water. Number 3. The Running of the Bulls. The running of the bulls began with the idea of herders and butchers guiding bulls from barges by shouts and sticks, which over time became a tradition that merged with the religious event, the Fiesta of San Fermin, who was the first bishop of Pamplona, Spain. It's not entirely clear when the townspeople joined in on the run as a feat of bravery. Since 1924, 15 people have been killed at the running of the bulls, most recently a 27-year-old Spanish man back in 2009. Number 2. The Yanshui Beehive Fireworks. During this event, people run in towards the exploding fireworks to get rid of bad luck and have a great new year. Bottle rockets are shot directly to the crowd and special helmets, gloves, and gears are required for the safety of the participants. Anyone who is brave enough is welcome to join in and gets pummeled with a fiery barrage of rockets. This festival originates in the late 1800s when the deadly cholera outbreak plagued the city and fireworks were used to call for help, praying to Guandi, the god of war, to bring an end to the calamity and save them. Number 1. The Onbashira Festival. Held every 6 years, this sacred festival celebrated by many Japanese to renew and replenish the pillars of 4 Shinto shrines with fresh cut logs. The process of picking and handling the logs are quite precise. They had to be fir trees about 50 feet in length. Then, these 16 pillars are dragged using ropes by hundreds of men from the mountains, through town, and across the rivers. Men ride the log down the hills, and that's when it gets interesting. At least 40 men get on the log while others pull. The speed of the log coming down is unpredictable, depending on how steep the hills are. Many have been seriously injured and killed by riding the logs. Weighing about 10 tons each, getting hit and smashed by these logs are no joke. However, many believe that being killed by one of these trees is considered an honor. There you have it. What do you think? Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you for watching.